Cetro is not a regular company. We are the largest packing machine company in the world. Our youthful and entrepreneur DNA built and solidified a packing solution business. In 10 years, we became pioneers in selling equipment to small and medium entrepreneurs through our e-commerce. Our unique method of communicating with clients using high-quality videos ensures the clients understand exactly how the machines works. In addition to add value to the machines, these contents teach the equipment's operation. Here we help the clients to understand their demands. And we value the person-to-person relationship, regardless the value of the purchase. So we are able to transform it in a democratic segment without losing our proven high-quality level. More than selling machines, our goal is to grow with the clients, ensuring the solution to their business in real time. And today, we go further. Our branches are in 4 states of Brazil, embracing a very diverse range of products. We serve industry segments of all kinds with the highest level of market demand. Cetro has the biggest machines showroom in the world, allowing the clients to see the products in person. Also, we have an integrated testing area, where the clients can handle and test the machines in real time with their own products. Our company also has a specialized engineering department dedicated to creating custom machines to match our clients' needs. All that to provide a premium and exclusive experience to Cetro's clients. After all, we believe that buying with safety makes partnerships last longer. With a massive inventory, we have logistic operations 24/7, divided into 3 shifts. This guarantees the fastest delivery time. Our goal is to offer our best to clients, even after the purchase is complete. We work with an uncomplicated and on-time after-sales. Whenever you call, we answer. That's why we are certified and recognized by quality and excellence in our customer service. We have a specialized customer service center providing 24/7 technical and remote assistance to our clients. Through constant training, we invest in the personal evolution of our team, encouraging the entrepreneur nature that's in our DNA. We gather a focused team that help us to achieve our goals, materialize our clients' dreams, and create employment opportunities. We want to be the biggest practical entrepreneurship reference in the country. Our open office allows a creative space, making it easier to communicate and exchange knowledge between departments. We don't want to only be the greatest, but also the fastest. Being the largest machine company, it's our mission to always look ahead on everything we do. And now we are the first Brazilian packing machine company to become a multinational, making dreams come true beyond borders. We are Cetro, Innovation to Transform.